Apply a thin layer of shaper or builder over a layer of cured bonder. Cure on button 2B. Apply color builder to the form to create the desired extension edge length and shape. Cure on button 2B. Remove the form. Apply a bead of color builder in zone 3 and guide it down into zone 2. Do not cure. Clean the extension edge where the desired smile line will be placed. Flash cure for 10 seconds. Apply color builder in porcelain to create the smile line. Avoid overlapping the colors. Detail the smile line with a gel oval brush. Cure on button 2B. Apply a layer of shaper over the entire nail to smooth out and perfect the upper arch. Cure on button 2B. Remove top film. Refine and smooth the nail using a 180 grit file. Clean the nail. Apply a layer of protector top coat. Cure for 1 minute on button 3. Clean the nail. Apply a drop of solar oil.